Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to be taking up and doing the Maiden or the Maiden crash possibility on the Vmar Kit Fox. We got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. I'm running Spectrum, I want to say 13 gram servos in her. Let me get her turned around here. And if you watched my video on the crashed Storch, well, this is the electronics out of that motor and all. So let's see what we got here. Right, left, up, down, right. Okay. Whoa. Well, nope. I know I had my ailerons right, so let's figure out what happened. Well, we got a busted prop, strut, and a roof, and a cowling. Like I said, oh, I lost my aileron, came undone too. Well, back to the old electronic brain.